what's going on? We're back with a brand new video. We're here with Zadie, the producer.
What up?
We're about to go to an abandoned, I don't even know, I just found it today, so we're gonna go to that. But it started raining, so we're gonna risk it. 5 seconds.
It started raining while we're out.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, sir.
And of course, it's like fucking tied up to yin yang. I thought it was like the one fucking time. One fucking time.
Alright, so we're gonna go at night. The weather, you hear the thunder in the background, so we don't want to get stuck. So we're gonna go right now. Alright, so out here in Italy, you're not allowed to have weapons like guns or knives, but I brought a Gerber just to be safe. How we found this place is a dog ran away, and we were just, there's the houses right there, so we decided to come down here to look for the dog. We ended up finding this place. Here's the place right now. See?
Yo, that's crazy.
So yeah, we're about to find like a body up in here.
Body in this bitch like Chuck E. Cheese.
Keelan said, might want to head back. It's about to rain.
That's fine. We knew the risks. We knew the risks, bro.
Bro, this is some creepy. This is a perfect time. If we're gonna die, it's gonna be now.
No, I'm not dying.
Alright, let's go. After you, sir. Yeah, that looks... What? Yeah, on my phone. Nice. What's out here? I said, what's out here?
Either way. Complain, bro. Being dramatic with the car.
Does it slide?
Get that out video.
Alright, go. Oh, you just took that shit back.
Look, I'm...
Some English people are here. Oh shit, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Are those bat? No. Is that shit?
Are you good at all this?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hell yeah, bro.
Holy shit, dude.
The bathroom?
Like fucking clear rooms and shit, bro. Yes.
Huh?
At least we're in the circle, so it's gonna be.
Cool. What's up there? More back. Shit. Is that a Heineken bottle? There's a Heineken bottle. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit. I'll explore over here and then go over there. Shine the light.
What is it?
You have the light.
We're on the second floor.
There's horses.
Yeah. Be careful. Yeah. Oh, alright, bye.
Bro, I thought that shit was a face over there.
Bro, we should have spray paint.
Wait, come here. Yo, I thought that shit was a face.
What?
That tan thing.
Oh shit.
That scared the fuck out of me. Fucking dickhead.
Body, right?
Yeah. Holy shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some hardcore parkour, bro.
Watch out for the roof. Never mind. I think we're. Oh shit. This bird got knocked the fuck out.
You got knocked the fuck out. Oh, look at all those birds. Lightning's by the new merch, baby. Champion brand. Get it. Link in the description. I want that too. What are they doing?
Alright. We're about to go upstairs. Climb up. From right here?
Yeah.
That shit's with glass and rust.
Yeah, no.
The staircase is kind of iffy too.
Yeah, to be honest.
Let's get it. Get that shit. Hang on, what's over here? I know. It's just a...
Let me get some space, bro.
It's a long fall. Oh. The attic.
Alright, So the attic doesn't really have shit. You said a dead bird?
If we can take one of the frames of like this, like right one like that.
Yeah.
It looks like my back is like that.
I mean, I guess that's it. It's creepy.
It'd be a shame. Ooh. That's the kind of scary thing about doing this though, is like, this shit isn't like to code at all. You don't know?
Yeah.
Like, in the last one for minutes.
Bro, are any of these Italian buildings to code? I know. I just want to see if there's any more rooms up here. This is a nice find though. Yeah, no, there's nothing. The other one. Never mind. I'm coming.
Ooh. You wanna...
I'll help you.
This is solid up?
Yeah. Well, we made it. It's a lot darker than it is on this camera right now, I'll tell you. That shit looks creepy though.
That's the creepiest part right there.
Medusa's head. I'm gonna cry if this shit was like a morgue at one time.
Oh no.
Now to head back. I mean, we're going out to eat. I guess I'm gonna finish the vlog. There's a little shack over here we want to go in before we leave. Dude, that shit looks creepy.
Huh?
That shit looks creepy. Yeah, dude, I can't. There ain't shit in there. And it's all covered in thorns. Dom.